ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kamigalia College Teachers Association hagalai potrik ubnai naiwing arajar arpway kalapin ko buram ni kinong hikai college kibala shong type hapdeng usnem arajar khat khandai hado usnem arajar arpway ha ka jinyalang kabala long ha conference hall jong ka St Anthony's College Shillong. Hagani ka jingyalang la sakhilang do Vice Chancellor ka School ba North Eastern Hills University u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla u balalong ku mukongsan u Additional Chief Secretary ka Sarkar Jilna u bapaj ka tanat puli puthi u ba Donald P Walang u balalong ku musumbot kongsan ka President jong ka MCTA ka Dr. Miss BH Buam lembat kinong hikai college na keleng ka Jilna kibale shimbenta lang hagani ka sngi.
And fear gripping due to the precarity of the situation caused by the pandemic. Still, we are not free from the shackles of the coronavirus. But do not read the statement as a display of pessimism, but that of caution. It would, at this point, direct our thoughts to the essence and significance of education. Here comes the academic perspective to my presidential address. UNESCO believes that education is a human right for all throughout life and that access must be matched by quality. In its generalized and broadest perspective, it involves a general sense aiming at habitual sustainability of one generation to the other. It is true that education fulfills and transforms student lives through the expansion of knowledge and the mind. In today's world, we are increasingly hearing calls for global competencies. That is, we are seeing demand for skills such as critical thinking and creativity across both manual and professional occupations.
This land has given birth to great freedom fighters like U Turut Singh, U Kyong Nongbo, Potong Sangma, who have been immortalized at the Mortuary Column in Ceylon. There is a need to revenge the past and build a golden future for the state of Meghalaya in the education sector. I understand the history of formal education in Meghalaya has been a recent one, commencing with the formulation of a Khasi alphabet in 1842 by Reverend Thomas Jones. Similarly, a Garo alphabet was evolved in 1902 by American missionary, using the Roman script. Thus, modern education started in the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo hills. The first college was established in Ceylon only in 1924 by the educationists from Ireland. The alumni of the schools and colleges hold very distinguished position and occupying high offices in outside of the country as well. The state of Meghalaya holds the 22nd ranking in the country with a literacy rate of 74.43%. The school education boards operational in Meghalaya that we know are MBSC, CBSC and ICSC majority. The new pattern of education described as 5+3+3+4 will be implemented from 2020 to 23 academic session, and our Meghalaya Teacher Association President rightly pointed out all the things. It will now be even more skill based after implementation of new education policy, wherein students will get the opportunity to not only study theoretical subject but also apply their experiential learning. Learn by earn. Shillong also hosts several national institutes of repute like the Northeastern Hill University, which is a central university, the neighboring IIM, NIFT, IHM, CIEFL, etc. Being set up in the world famous Sora Cherrapunji town. Recently, Northeastern Center for Technology Application and Research, an autonomous society set up under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, with its headquarters at Shillong, will be ensuring application of appropriate technology for development in the areas of biodiversity concerns, watershed management, horticulture, infrastructure planning, development, planning and monitoring, etc. Through utilization of local products, resources and associated skill development, 8 private universities are also recognized by the UGC for the state of Meghalaya. Back in the 70s, Shillong has attracted students from Southeast Asia like Thailand and Malaysia who undertook graduate courses in the prestigious colleges of St. Edmunds and St. Anthony, Meghalaya, apart from the Nagaland, is perhaps the first state in the entire Northeast to adopt a communitization model of education at the elementary levels. The education department is also presently gearing up to meet the challenges of human resource development, and efforts are continually on to develop the existing institution as catalysts of potential excellence. But the performance of grading index report by the Government of India has come as a major concern for Meghalaya, which aimed to become an educational hub. According to the report, Meghalaya's performance was the second worst in the country after Bihar, mostly because of its lack of infrastructure and other facilities.